What's up, guys? Today I am gonna show you something super special. No, it's not my Mustang. I talk about it a lot, maybe. It's actually not my four-wheeler either, or dirt bikes. So today I'm gonna be talking to you about my daily driver. It is a 2012 Ford F150 5.0 with a Coyote motor. Not really meant to be modded. Since it's a daily driver, I want it to be just reliable. A couple of the things I have done, I put a catback MBRP single exit exhaust. I added a light bar.
eBay special light bar, custom fitted for the grill.
And I also added some aggressive tires. Aggressive TBB tires. But today, I'm not actually going to be talking to you about a mod. I'm going to be talking to you about just some simple maintenance. We're going to do an oil change. Since we went fancy when we got the truck, I got the 5.0 Coyote motor. If you look at it here, it is very low in the engine bay. It's kind of odd. Most trucks, come up close to the hood maybe. This one's super recessed. I got some gunk on my terminal. Don't be judging me. She's pretty dirty under here. The biggest thing for me is just keeping her running, keeping me driving to work, keeping me hauling stuff, doing the whole 9 yards. I just want it to get me from A to B and maybe sound kind of cool, maybe. With the big V8 in the F150, we'll be using 7.7 quarts today, and we will be using Royal Purple HMX Cinerlac high mileage motor oil 5W20. Wow, we've got what looks to be 10 quarts here, and I could not from the same website buy a Royal Purple oil filter, so I bought the K&N. It supposedly says 20,000 mile protection. And the back of this says 15,000 miles or 12 months, blah blah blah. But that's after you do this twice, running it through 3,000 miles each time to clean before extending drain intervals. So I took the oil fill cap off to allow some ventilation through, and now I'm going to crack the 15 millimeter drain plug. She took, folks, which that's located right here. You can barely see it, but my finger's touching it there. Drag the oil pan into position. This is always the scary part. I hate it. It's gonna come flying out of there probably. Back this pin up a little bit, get my face out of the way. While that drains, I'm gonna go ahead and take off the oil filter. And that is just right up under the... Got the new oil filter seal ready to go. Got the nice purple juice in there. The cool thing about the K&N oil filter is that it has this wrench on the side on the bottom, so you can tighten it easier rather than using an oil filter wrench in a hard to reach place. You can use just a socket. So we got 7 quarts in, and I gave her a start. Started just fine, but since it does take 7.7, we are going to top it off and probably give it almost a quart. But we'll check and make sure. Well, YouTube, we just finished up the oil change in our 2012 Ford F150 with a 5.0 Coyote motor. We reinstalled the drain plug. We topped the oil off. We tightened the filter. Everything should be good to go. Finally, I can drive home. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit the like button. Everybody that follows me will get a free $1 billion. Peace!